How to contact Agoda customer service through email. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is simply open the Google browser and simply type down the contact Agoda customer service in the search address bar and hit enter. Now scroll down and there you will get to see how do I contact Agoda option available there. Now once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to a page where you'll get to see the all phone numbers available from different countries in order to call Agoda. But since we are looking for the email, simply scroll down and there you can see the email of Agoda available. Now all you have to do is copy and paste this on the Gmail and simply send your preferred questions or inquiry to the Agodas. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.